बड़गाम का रुख करते हैं, जहां से भी आप तक ये खबर पहुंचाते चले। जिला बड़गाम में आज ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल के चेयरमैन ने पंचों और सरपंचों की मौजूदगी में एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का इनेकाद किया। इस हंगामी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में मकामी पंचों और सरपंचों ने शिरकत की। ये प्रेस बड़गाम में मुनक़िद हुई। इस सिलसिले में जम्मू कश्मीर लोकल बॉडीज के सदर ने ऑफिसरान की तरफ से बीडीसी चेयरमैन को टारगेट बनाने के मामला पर बात की। उन्होंने इस मौके पर क्या कुछ कहा, आइए आपको दिखाते हैं।
Local body point Sarpanch Association and organizer and other dignitaries BDCs are present in front of the media, and we are starting this press conference with great regards, as your good self is knowing the facts of the ground. The JK local body point Sarpanch Association role in urban local bodies point Sarpanch and BDC DDC elections in J&K UT, and always created independent voice in favor of local body and panchayat members of J&K UT without caste, creed and color. The government announced the urban elections in 2018 and panchayat elections in 2019, in which the local political parties denied and boycotted the complete process. But in last phase in 2020, when government announces the vacant panchayat posts DDC elections in JKUT, the boycotting local political parties show their election concern. That proves the said parties are not in part to get general public in power, but to lead them. As therefore they participated the last phase of DDC elections in JKUT. The general public shows their mandate, which is clear in front of the media. First ever third bigger part independent candidates got third position with 50 DDC members in J&K, DDC and hundreds of point Sarpanch segments in JKUT. With the result, PAGD local united front can't digest the big win of independent candidates and other national parties in J&K UT. And then they started the horse trading in DDC's candidates and also targeted the BDCs through a few Sarpanch with their baseless allegations and no confidence motions. They failed to create rule on them in Valley, and recently they moved a baseless no confidence motion against the independent BDC Nagam, Badgam, the DPO and Director Rural Development. Actions on the motion on numeric 4:7 when it is crystal clear in Act 7 of Panchayat Rule. They submitted their misbehavior of members and corruption and anti-national activities. If proves with strong evidences, is applicable. We feel so rigid about the first action of DPO without proper verification of allegations. She passed the move, and one of their complainer withdraw the written complaint before Director Ruler that he was forced to do. That still Director didn't investigate in the serious matter. We have already briefed the advisor to LT Governor, Mr. BK Bashir Khan and Divisional Commissioner. They assured the association that they will take appropriate strict action against the political motivated officers and don't allow this type of conspiracy in Panchayati Raj. We will consciously appealing to all independent members to don't be a part of conspiracy or any political gimmick. Just keep your job in the interest of general public as they voted for their developments. The association is appealing His Excellency Lieutenant Governor J&K UT Mr. Manoj Sinha ji, please take a note of this matter and take action against such officers who are working on political motivation and don't allow any political party to sabotage the political setup or national laws in J&K UT.
सेरिकल्चर